Here we come to the elevator at the Best Western Plus in North Canton, Ohio. Do you know what that is, Alex?
Yeah, that's right. That's the Dover Buzz.
It's a ThyssenKrupp. I was thinking it was going to be the grocery beep, but it was the Dover Buzz. Even cooler.
Sounds like impulse to me.
Door close button works. I like that. There we go. Yay!
Dover Buzz.
Watch the button go out. That was pretty cool. Haven't gotten on in here with me. Let's come out here and ring the bell. What the? Doesn't work up here. There it is.
Yeah, finally got it. You finally got it. Thank you, Logan.
Yep, sure did. Love this elevator. Let's get a cab view of this bad boy. It's just a cool looking elevator. Just your typical elevator.
What do you think about this, Logan?
This elevator?
Yes.
Oh, I love it. This thing is pretty cool.
Yeah, definitely. Because Elderman 45 will like this too.
Yeah, he would.
So do you see?
He definitely would love this elevator. This
Yeah. Because
and it's a hydraulic elevator as well. I'm gonna head to two and end the video. All right.
I like that door operator. Do you like the door operator?
It is. There it goes. And that's it.
Thank you for watching.
Courtesy of Alex ElevatorFan.